Right. First, we have to start with the sauce.
Okay.
So we'll heat we'll heat the wok a little bit, just to keep it going, and we'll get some oil. Get some oil from here.
Oh, okay.
The deep fry. Okay.
Yep.
And according to the recipe, it's very simple to do. This recipe is you fry the onions. I'm gonna give you a stir.
Yeah.
Be well prepared. You fry the onions and let it caramelize.
Yep.
While we do that.
So where did you learn this?
Oh, I used to be a chef.
Yes. But
many years ago, when I was young and handsome.
but did you? Was this something you learned at home?
Oh yeah. Well, no, my parents were hoteliers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and at a certain portion of their lives, they managed to build up a fortune of running hotels.
Oh, okay.
And I used to work as a sous chef in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this was in Singapore?
In Singapore. Then I left when I was very young and went to England to do my formal education.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, Singapore is such a great city because it's such a potpourri of cultures.
Oh, it's
right?
a cosmopolitan of people.
Yeah.
Of what they call melting pot.
Yes. And each culture sort of impacts the other.
Totally.
Right?
And the reason why you caramelize onion is because you want to bring the sweetness out of the onion.
Okay.
Onions do have sugar in it. So while you're doing that, I will show you how we make the sauce itself. So what we do is we put 1 tablespoon, put a little bit more, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. Yeah, put that aside. And we'll put a little bit of water in it. Just a little bit to blend it in so that it won't have any lumps. Okay. The recipe asks for 1 tablespoon of water. Tapioca starch, and then you put in 1 cup of water. Now that it's all blended in.
Oh, wonderful!
So 1 cup of water. Okay. Then we put the sugar in. Put the salt in. And we put the white pepper in. We put 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Is it caramelizing? Okay, good. So throw that in. Stir that in. Okay.
And now what does this do when you pour this in? What's
You watch. It's magic.
It is, eh?
Yes. So we put 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And 1 drop of red coloring. Okay, too much. anyway, so it looks like this.
Ah, I can see the color now. Yeah.
Now, this is the resistance. So we have the puree, mango puree,
Okay.
and we put 1 cup of mango puree in the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I use fresh mango because it tastes much better. But you can buy canned mango too, you know. So that's going on really well. Then you just stir it.